tree of 402. So 402, it can be written as 2 times 201. 2 times 201 means 402. Now 201, it can be written as 3 times 67. 3 times 67 means 401. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 3 and 67. So we can write 402 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 3 times this 67. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.